Welcome Azure, creating and configuring a backup vault in Azure. In this lab, you'll learn how to create and configure a backup vault in Azure. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your backup solution, ensuring redundancy and disaster recovery capabilities for your organization. Shown Step 1. Search for the backup vault service. 1. Log into Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal. 2. Search for backup vaults. Use the search bar at the top of the homepage. Type backup and press enter. From the list of services, select Backup Vaults. Step 2. Create a new backup vault. 1. Click Create. Select the Create button to start setting up a new backup vault. 2. Define the vault settings. Resource group. Choose Prod RG from the drop-down menu. Vault name. Enter a unique name, such as Surf City Backup. Step 3. Configure storage redundancy. 1. Backup storage redundancy. Click the Backup Storage Redundancy drop-down. Select Geo-Redundant Storage, GRS, to replicate data to a secondary region. This ensures data protection during regional outages. Step 4. Configure advanced settings. 1. Enable cross-region restore. Navigate to the Vault Properties section. In the Cross-Region Restore drop-down, enable this option to allow backup recovery from secondary regions. Step 5. Add tags, optional. Though optional for this lab, you can add tags to categorize and manage resources effectively. Step 6. Review and create the vault. 1. Review settings. Click Next. Review plus Create to review all configurations. Ensure all settings are correct. 2. Deploy the vault. Click Create to deploy the backup vault. Azure will start creating the vault based on your settings. Step 7. Access the backup vault. 1. Check notifications. Once deployment finishes, you'll receive a notification. 2. Go to Reset on your settings. Step 7. Access the backup vault. 1. Check notifications. Once deployment finishes, you'll receive a notification. 2. Go to Resource. Click Go to Resource to navigate to the Backup Vault's overview page. Final outcome. At the end of this lab, you'll have successfully created and configured a backup vault in Azure with Geo-Redundant Storage for high availability, Cross-Region Restore enabled for disaster recovery. This setup ensures that your backups are secure and recoverable, even during regional failures. Happy learning!